In this video, we will learn how to underline chapter heading in Word document. So let's start. This is my Word document, and here you can see one chapter heading, the chapter 1 introduction. So here I'm going to underline this chapter heading. So I just select the full heading and go to the home tab. In paragraph scopes have a border option. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the borders and shadings, and in border and shadings dialog box click on the borders tab, and here the select the style those you want. So you just drag it and you can see the all here the style difference available, and select those you want. You can see here the preview of this border, and you can select here the color also. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the color here. If you want the thickness of the lines, you can see the different thickness available. Select those you want. I select this, and here just click on this box. You can see the top line is removed, and I just remove this one also and remove this one also. I want only the bottom line, so after the heading bottom line is required. Okay, so after that just click on this box and click on the OK, and that's it. And here you can see the headings underline showing. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.